And who's this?
I'm Ethan. I might edit the robot for the race.
Well done, red,
Yeah,
well
I'm
done.
definitely editing the robot before.
Right.
This is the turbine made by Ansford Industries, which is Henry and Oliver.
Let's go. Well done, brilliant.
With Bob, it spins the arms which propels it forward.
Let's go. Brilliant. Well done. Well done.
This is Matthew with Switchblade.
Brilliant, well done.
And this Dexter and this is my build for the 1 metre without wheels race.
And what's it called? Oh, very good. Well done. Well done. And who is this?
Freya and Lizzie. This is the 1 metre without wheels Grand Prix. On your marks.